all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to make vanilla sponge cake, and if you like my recipes then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. So for the cake we need powdered sugar, milk, if needed then only we will use, all-purpose flour or maida, eggs, butter, you can also use oil, baking powder and vanilla essence. I have given all the measurements in the description box. First take a strainer and add all the dry ingredients, maida, sugar and baking powder. And sieve all the ingredients so the lumps will get discarded. Now keep it aside. Now take a mixing bowl and add all the eggs. Now mix it well. You have to beat it until the eggs get foamy. It will take 5 to 6 minutes. After that, add the butter and mix it well. After mixing these two ingredients, add the vanilla essence and mix it well. And then add all the dry ingredients which we kept aside. Now mix well all the ingredients. And the consistency should be like this. If you think the consistency is tight, then only add the milk. As the consistency is perfect, I am not using milk. Now take a butter or oil greased cake mold and put a butter paper inside and pour the batter. And then tap to level it. Here I am baking for 35 minutes on 160 degree. Try to bake it on 160 to 180 degree for 30 to 35 minutes. Keep checking after 25 minutes. So here the cake is baked, and demold the cake after it's become cool. Flip the cake and remove the butter paper. Now you can cut the cake into small pieces and serve it. Also you can garnish it as you want. Here I am cutting the upper part to level the cake and flipped it. You can also divide the cake into parts. You can store the cake for 3 to 4 days in room temperature. Now apply some sugar syrup on the top. Then apply whipped cream and cover the cake fully. Spread the whipped cream very gently. Try to do it smoothly. Now, with the help of piping bag and different shapes of nozzles, decorate the cake as you want. Here I am using pink and yellow color combination. Try out this cake recipe and let me know how it is. This is very spongy and delicious, and also easy to prepare. and the vanilla sponge cake is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.